Okay, so we'll talk about so-called coagulants. Coagulants are the types of agents or additives that you purposefully add into your, quite often, suspension, a suspension or colloidal suspension, that you want to reduce the repulsive force between individual particles. And as you reduce the repulsive force between individual particles, the van der Waals force would start to pull them together, and as a result, the smaller particles come together to form larger so-called coagulates or soft agglomerate. And because they become larger together, they have a tendency to drop to the bottom, to sediment. And sometimes people use them purposefully. Of course, people can use it to cleaning water, right? If you have dirty water, you can add some stuff to get dirty water slightly cleaner, to remove the fine particles. But sometimes people use it to help precipitate your fine particles if it's too fine, right? If it's too fine, you cannot get your solid, if that solid is what you want. So typically the coagulants could be inorganic, um, quite often salts, electrolyte, calcium chloride, magnesium chloride, or something like that. Okay.